Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a detailed review of the new Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 362 in 115.6-inch laptop. This is a device that has been generating a lot of buzz in the tech world, and for good reason. It's packed with the latest features and technology, making it a top-of-the-line choice for anyone in the market for a new laptop. First, let's talk about performance. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 is powered by the latest Intel 12th Gen Evo Core i7-1260P processor, which is a top-of-the-line chip that can handle the most demanding applications and multitasking with ease. It's coupled with 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory, which provides lightning-fast speeds and ensures that your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. The device also comes with a 1TB PCIe SSD, which provides plenty of storage space for all your files and documents. This means you'll be able to store all your files, photos, videos, music, and more without ever running out of space. One of the most striking features of this laptop is its 15.6-inch AMOLED touchscreen display. The AMOLED technology provides stunning visuals with deep blacks and vibrant colors, making it ideal for watching movies, editing photos and videos, and more. The touchscreen also makes it easy to navigate the device, with intuitive controls and gestures. This feature is especially great for artists, designers, and people who love to take notes and draw, since it allows you to create digital art with precision and accuracy. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 also comes with the S Pen, which is a stylus that allows you to take notes, draw, and create digital art with precision and accuracy. The S Pen also functions as a mouse, allowing you to navigate the device with ease and precision. This feature is especially useful for people who are used to taking notes with a pen and paper, since it allows you to take notes in the same way you would on paper. The device also comes with a built-in mouse pad, making it even more convenient to use. The laptop's sleek silver design also adds to its professional look. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to take it with you on the go, whether you're heading to work or school. The device also comes with a variety of ports and connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, and more, making it easy to connect to external devices and peripherals. This feature is especially useful for people who need to connect to other devices, such as external monitors, hard drives, and other devices. In terms of battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 offers a long-lasting battery, allowing you to work and play for hours on end without needing to constantly recharge. The device also comes with a fast charging feature, so you can charge it quickly when you do need to. This feature is especially useful for people who are always on the go and need a device that can last all day. But it's not just about the specs. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 offers a premium experience for users with its 2-in-1 design that allows you to switch between laptop and tablet mode in a snap. The hinge design is smooth and sturdy, allowing you to use the device in a variety of different positions, making it perfect for work, entertainment, and everything in between. This feature is especially great for people who like to use their laptop in different positions, such as on a table, on a lap, or on a bed. The device also comes with a built-in fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 362 in 115.6-inch AMOLED touchscreen laptop is a powerful and versatile device that offers a great combination of performance, style, and convenience. If you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly recommend checking out The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. You can purchase this laptop at the Samsung store, where you can also find a wide range of other Samsung products and accessories. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more reviews and unboxings on my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more technology content. And check out the description to find the product link.